Welcome back. In this tutorial, it will be a short tutorial once again, but in this tutorial I will show you and explain to you everything about the WordPress search and replace feature that you have when you are using SiteGround hosting, and you can find this feature within your Site Tools panel. So the first thing that you have to do is log in into your Site Tools panel. Then you have to go to the WordPress settings over here, and at the bottom of the drop down menu you can find this option, search and replace. And if you click on it, then you will see this page. And it's also mentioned over here, but use the search and replace tool. You can easily change strings in your WordPress site in bulk for changing from HTTP to HTTPS after you have installed an SSL, changing domain names and more. You can replace all occurrences of a string with a single click. For peace of mind, we recommend creating a backup before replacing strings in your live website. So, as mentioned over here, sometimes it can be helpful to change all the strings. For example, as they have also given here, when you set up an SSL certificate and you want to make sure that everything that is connected to your website, which with HTTP, that is changed to HTTPS, for example, or you can change your domain name or whatever. So it's very easy to do. The only thing you have to do is select the installation. So in this case, it's the primary domain. But if you have also set up a staging website or you have a subdomain installed, then those options will also be available by clicking this drop down menu, and then you can select which installation you want. In this case, it's only this one, so I leave it at that. Then you can search for a string, for example, HTTP, or you can search for, you can enter a domain name, and then you can replace it with, in this case, HTTPS, for example. So that's the only thing you have to do. Then you have to click on search and replace, and then it will automatically, will be handled by SiteGround within a couple of seconds. So it's very easy to do, but like it's also mentioned over here, it's recommended to make sure to have a backup for your website. So if anything might go wrong, I have never experienced it, but if anything might go wrong, then you also have a backup available, an immediate backup that you can set back. And let's say if you have forgot to make a backup, then you can of course also go to the backup functions over here, the backup options, I must say, over here at security, backups, and then you can select one of the most recent backups that SiteGround automatically have created, because they make a backup of your website every single day. But of course, if you have, for example, if you have done some changes to your website, very recent and in the last few hours or whatever, and then you do this, in that case, it is recommended to create a manual backup so that you always have the latest version of your website available. So I hope this function is clear. It's also helpful if you, for example, if you use the migrator to transfer your WordPress website to another domain, for example, and with the search and replace option, when you have migrated the website, then you can also replace the name of the website or that kind of stuff very easily by using this function. So that's how it's done. If you have any questions or anything is still unclear for you, make sure to let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, if you found this video helpful, also make sure to let me know by hitting the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also hit the notification bell if you want to stay updated on all the upcoming videos that I will upload. And with that being said, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.